So this is what the Honorable Supreme Court recently said in a POCSO case, whereby the accused was granted bail by the Allahabad High Court, and by issuing such order, directions were given that age determination tests should be conducted in POCSO cases during bail matters to see if POCSO applies. But the Honorable Supreme Court has called this approach legally incorrect. It has stated that the age determination is a matter that should only be taken up during trial and not in bail matters. While addressing this, the court addressed a much deeper concern that though POCSO is meant to protect children from sexual abuse, but nowadays it is increasingly used in cases involving consensual relationship between adolescents due to parental disapproval and social pressure. POCSO being of strict provisions in terms of severe punishment and non-bailable offence sometimes cause irreversible harm even before the guilt is admitted. The court, while stating that because this issue is reoccurring across the country, has sent a copy of this judgment to Union Law Secretary to strongly consider adding a Romeo-Juliet clause, a small safeguard to ensure that consensual relationship between teenagers that are close in age should not automatically fall under the purview of POCSO. The court made it clear that though child protection is non-negotiable, but law should not criminalize young people when there is no such exploitation or abuse in real life.